Behind me here is lot 294 in Loon Point. What a great opportunity to own a piece of land that's larger than normal at 1.61 acres. You're looking at a nice treed lot. You're surrounded by these taller, more mature trees, the breeze coming through. You've got a nice, easy access here to Nature Drive as well, which is one of our few and only right now paved roadways. Nice and easy access in and out of the villages of Long Lakes. Let's go back and take a look at this oversized property. 294. Right off of Nature Drive here, you've got a little bit of an open area, which makes it a lot easier to open this up, put your services in and your driveway. And of course, you can always go back as far as you'd like with that driveway to put your house for extra privacy and quiet amongst the trees. As we make our way towards the back, there is little spots that open up. So if you're willing to come back even further with your driveway, makes it a little bit easier to thin out through some of these spots here. And then of course it goes back into these thicker treed areas. Not a very wide property again, but you're looking at really long. And that's where you're finding your acreage here. And when you get to the middle and towards the back part of the property, which we're coming up on here shortly, it gets so much quieter. And yet you got these nice open areas to work with, the sun coming through, and yet right around the corner and just down the way and throughout, nice shaded spots that'll keep you cool. What's nice about the back part of this property, though it may be a little hard to see, is there's a gradual incline towards the back, which kind of tucks you away again, your property line, below grade a little bit. Behind us here and off to the side is one of the walking trails. So again, it acts as a little privacy fence for you, being a little bit below ground here. So much room to work with. Lot 294 here on Nature Drive is first and foremost going to offer you the size. It's a big lot, 1.61 acres. Plenty of trees and privacy back there. Plus you also have the peace of mind to knowing that your driveway is going to be on a paved road and just a short drive away from the entrance to the villages of Long Lakes. Really, 294 in Loon Point has a lot to offer for anybody, regardless of what they're looking for. So if you want a bigger lot with some shade and the comfort of knowing you're right outside on a paved driveway, look no further than lot 294.